Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put image to video CapCut. We will start by opening the CapCut app and entering a previous project with a video or creating a new one. Once we have the video inserted, we will add the image. To do this, we will click on Overlay and then Add Overlay. Next, we will select the image to add it. Once added, we can resize it and place it over the video. If we want, we can remove the background from our image. To do this, click on Cutout and then on Remove Background. The background of the image will be removed. If we want, we can even add an outline to the image by clicking on Cutout Stroke and choosing the settings. Another option we can do is apply a shape mask to the image from Mask. You can configure the mask to adapt it to the image. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, you can apply the filters, animations, or adjustments you want to your image as well as the duration until it gives it the style we want. Once we have finished our composition, we can export the video from the icon above. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.